Imagine walking alone in a silent forest. You find an old camera, you take it home, you develop the photos, and you see yourself sleeping in your bed last night. But there is someone else in the photo. Someone you don't know. Thomas was a professional photographer. He spent his life capturing beauty, but he loved the mystery of abandoned places. One cold autumn afternoon, while exploring a deep, foggy forest, he found an old leather camera bag hidden under the roots of a giant dead tree. Inside the bag was a vintage camera. It was heavy, cold, and looked like it had been forgotten for decades. However, when Thomas checked the film counter, it showed that there was still one roll of film left. Thomas hurried home. He was excited to see what secrets this camera held. He locked himself in his dark room. The only light was a faint red glow. One by one, the photos began to appear in the chemicals. The first 5 photos were beautiful landscapes of the same forest, but they looked different. The trees looked like they were reaching out for help. The next 4 photos showed a family, a father, a mother, and a little girl. They were smiling, but their eyes were scratched out in every picture. Thomas felt a cold shiver down his spine. Why would someone do that? But then, the mystery turned into a nightmare. Photo number 10. It was a clear shot of Thomas's front door, the same door he locked just 10 minutes ago. Photo number 11. It was his kitchen. On the floor, there was a sharp silver knife that Thomas didn't recognize. Photo number 12. It was the hallway leading to his bedroom. The door was slightly open. Thomas's heart began to race like a drum. His hands were shaking so much he almost dropped the last photo. Photo number 13. In the final picture, Thomas saw himself. He was sleeping peacefully in his bed. The room was dark, but the camera's flash revealed a terrifying detail. Behind his bed, standing in the shadows, was a very tall man wearing a black mask. In his right hand, he was holding that same sharp knife, just inches away from Thomas's neck. Thomas looked at the bottom of the photo. The timestamp said, January 3rd, 3 a.m. That was only a few hours ago. Suddenly, the silence of the dark room was broken. Click. The sound of a camera shutter. Thomas froze. A bright, blinding flash filled the room from the corner behind him. He wasn't alone. What would you do if you were Thomas? Would you run or would you turn around? This story reminds us that sometimes the things we find are looking for us too. What is your opinion on this ending? Do you think Thomas escaped? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know if you want more stories like this.